Have you ever looked at someone earning a reliable recurring monthly income online and thought to yourself, that looks absolutely amazing, but I could never do it. I don't have the technical skills. I absolutely hate selling, and it's just completely out of my line of work. If you have ever felt that way, I want you to sit back, relax, and take a deep breath. Deep breath right now, because you are exactly who I wanted to speak to today. In fact, just this past week, I had a conversation with a lovely, incredible, hardworking lady who works face to face in the hospitality industry. She looked at what I've built over the years, and she looked at the lifestyle and the freedom it provides. And she said to me with total honesty, Lynette, I love your videos. I love your message. I love the idea of financial freedom. But this is just not my line of work. I'm not a social media expert. I don't know how to convince people, and I absolutely do not sell financial or insurance products. And you know what? When she said that, I wanted to reach out through the phone and give her a massive hug, because she had the courage to say out loud exactly what thousands of hard-working South African professionals, entrepreneurs, and business owners are secretly thinking every single day when they look at building an online asset. They look at the opportunity and they feel instant anxiety because they think they must become an expert and they think they must too do the selling. We are going to dive incredibly deep today into exactly why she was completely wrong about her own limitations, and why your current career, your current background, or your complete lack of sales experience might actually make you the perfect fit for this. I'm going to show you how a modern system completely removes the burden from your shoulders. But before we unlock that exact duplication secret, let's get everyone settled into the room and say a proper hello. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. It's so incredibly wonderful to have you all here with me today. Whether you are jumping on the live right now as we start broadcasting across South Africa, or catching this on the replay later tonight, over the weekend, or during a quiet moment in your week, welcome to our weekly space. For those of you who are joining me and my community for the first time today, let me formally introduce me to you so that you can know who you are speaking with. Now, I'm Lynette Badenhorst, broadcasting live to you right here from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For the past 10 plus years, my absolute passion, my mission, and my daily purpose have been helping corporate professionals, everyday entrepreneurs, and busy business owners create real sustainable recurring income online. And let's be very clear about what we do, because this is where most people get confused. We do it without door-to-door selling, without buying or storing expensive stock, and without pushing products onto your friends, your family, or your colleagues. My goal is to guide you through a powerful, compliant, hybrid financial platform that helps you build a genuine long-term income asset. Something that can help you break free from debt, reduce economic stress, and finally take back total control of your time, your money, and your family life. Let me take a quick moment to welcome my regular viewers who show up every week, week after week. Thank you for your incredible loyalty and your support. It means the world to me. It's always Gloria and Peter and all those people. Welcome on board. I really appreciate your support. If you are watching this live right now, please drop a hello in the comments. Let me know where you are tuning in from in South Africa, and type in what industry or profession you're currently working in. Are you in education, corporate, retail? Do you run your own small business? Drop it in the comments right now. I want to see who we are and who we have here in the room today. And if you are watching the replay later tonight or over the weekend, please drop a hashtag replay in the comments so I can personally come back to this video and give you a proper shout out afterwards. Now I have incredible exciting news for today's session. I have officially launched my brand new, highly anticipated digital guide, the Asset-Based Business Blueprint. I have spent weeks putting this together to show you the exact backstage mechanics of how an ordinary professional can build a recurring income stream safely, predictably, and legally. It strips away all the confusion and shows you exactly how this engine works. And it's completely free of charge for my community. If you want to grab your copy right now, you can open up a new tab and head over to my website at LynetteBardnors.com/asset. I spell my name LINNEBADENHORST.com/asset. Alternatively, to make it even easier for you to while you watch and listen to me today, if you are watching live or on the replay, simply pop the word asset in the comments below. My system is fully automated and it will make sure you get the link sent directly to your inbox free of charge, without you having to miss a single second of this broadcast. Let's get back to that conversation I had with a lady from the hospitality industry. Her reaction is something I see every single day, and I want to tell you that it is completely justified. If you feel that way, you are not crazy. You are completely normal. When working professionals sit down at the end of a long, exhausting workday, they know they need a financial change. You don't need to tell you that. You look at the current state of our economy. You look at the cost of fuel at the pumps. You look at the electricity prices. And you look at the monthly grocery bill. And you know, deep down in your heart, that a single salary or a traditional business model is no longer enough to secure your retirement or protect your children and grandchildren. But when you start looking online for solutions, what do you see? The internet is completely flooded with noise right now. People promising quick fortunes overnight, flashing fake wealth, or trying to sell you incredible expensive overseas courses, claiming you'll earn thousands of dollars by the end of next week if you just learn some complex digital marketing hacks. It's exhausting, isn't it? It makes you want to close your laptop and turn off your phone. And to be perfectly honest, most of it boils down to high-pressure sales. Deep down, your subconscious mind tells you, if I stop working or if I stop selling, the money stops coming in. You realize that you are just trading one stressful, time-consuming job for another. So, when you look at an opportunity like the one I talk about, your brain naturally creates a defense mechanism to protect you from failing. You look at me on this live broadcast and you think, well, Lynette, you can do this. You has the background in public relations and marketing management. You understand technical things. You know how to present smoothly on a video. But look at me. I'm a school teacher. I'm a hospitality worker. I'm an engineer. I don't know how to pitch. This is just not my line of work. But let me tell you something that might shock you, and I want you to listen to this very carefully. I don't want you to change your line of work. And more importantly, if this business model required you to be highly trained, a digital marketing wizard, a technological genius, or a smooth-talking salesperson, it would fail completely. Why? Because sales talent cannot be duplicated. If I am a master salesperson, I can go out and get results. But if I introduce you to the business and you don't have the exact same personality or training, you will get stuck. The chain breaks. The income stops. The only reason this model is sustainable, the only reason it scales, and the only reason it creates true wealth that outlives you is because it does not rely on raw individual talent. It relies entirely on an engineered system. Think about it this way. We need to completely separate the concept of selling from the concept of connecting. When you sell, you bear the entire burden. You have to know all the facts. You have to overcome objections. You have to convince the person, and you have to close the deal. That's exhausting, high friction work. But when you connect, you bear zero burden. Your only job is to bridge the gap. You are the bridge. You introduce the person to the pre-built information, and you let the system do 100% of the explaining, the teaching, and the closing. Once you understand the difference between being a salesperson or being a connector, the weight is going to lift entirely off your shoulders. You will realize that anyone can do it, and I repeat it, anyone can do it. Let me know in the comments if this resonates with you. Have you ever held yourself back from exploring an online income stream because you honestly believed that you weren't cut out for sales or online businesses? Type yes in the comments right now if you ever felt that fear. It's real, but let's be honest with each other in the room today. Type it in the comments. Let's address the biggest elephant in the room right now, head on. The hospitality lady I spoke to said, Lynette, I love the freedom, but I don't sell insurance. Let me state this as clearly as possible. Neither do I. If I had to carry a briefcase around, do cold calls at dinner time while families are eating, knock on strangers' doors in the evening, or analyze the fine print of a complex insurance policy, I would neither do this. That is the traditional high-pressure sales job, and none of us want that. In fact, let's be completely honest, I really hate that exact situation when you are invited to a weekend braai, you are looking forward to a relaxing time with friends and family, and then suddenly a person pops out from around the corner and starts trying to pitch you their latest product or twist your arm to buy into their dream. For me, that is completely deceptive. It ruins friendships, and I will never ever go that route. I refuse to turn my personal relationships into a sales target, and I will never ask you to do that either. With Dewpoint, we operate in a completely different universe. Look at this form. Let's look at this from a strictly legal, professional and compliant perspective, because this is where the safety lies. Dewpoint is fully licensed, established South African financial service provider. Their FSP number is 50318. They have been operating successfully in South Africa for over 10 years. This is a proven, rock-solid business running since 2016. Their model has been featured independently on national television platforms like SABC3 and ETV. They are underwritten by some of the absolute largest, most respected insurance and administrative giants in our economy. Names you already know, use and trust, like Sanlam, Santam, Bright, etc. But here is where the magic happens, and here is what makes it a true asset for an average person. Dewpoint spent over a decade developing, testing, and perfecting a world-class infrastructure. They built the legal framework, the FSCA compliance, the corporate branding, the mobile app, and the massive administrative engine. And you don't have to pay millions of rands to own it. In fact, you don't even pay a separate franchisee fee. You get to use this entire system completely free, added at no extra charge, simply by being a Dewpoint product owner. Think about traditional franchises for a moment. If you wanted to buy a well-known fast food, retail or service franchise in South Africa today to create a new income stream, it would cost you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of rands, just for the upfront franchisee fees. And then, after spending all that capital, you'd still have to pay for commercial rent, staff, salaries, stock management, insurance, and massive monthly royalties before you ever made a single cent and of clear profit for yourself. It takes years and years, sometimes 30 years plus, to pay off your debt. Most working professionals are completely locked out of that world because it simply costs too much and carries far too much risk as well. But with Dewpoint, you get the structure of a mini franchise added directly to your lifestyle product benefits. The cost to access this entire asset building system, the step-by-step training app, and those daily protection benefits, you get it all at the price of any one of their products, which starts at a clear, transparent, and highly affordable 329 Rand per month. That's it. There are no hidden fees, no expensive starter packs to buy, no massive overheads, no front loading of stock, and no surprise monthly cost. It's entirely transparent. And look at what you get inside that product. You get access to essential daily lifestyle benefits like funeral cover, tax-free investments, or primary health care. Plus you get legal assistance, medical call services, and road and home emergency assistance added at no extra charge to any one of DuPoint's business. And you get all your digital business operational tools added at no extra cost. You are protecting your family with a licensed product and gaining a world-class business asset engine at the exact same time. Now let's talk about how easy the system makes this for you, because this is the secret that lets ordinary people succeed. On top of the product benefits, DuPont provides you with 100% free world-class training directly inside their mobile app. Now, why would a major financial company give away top-tier business training and tools completely for free? Because the commercial logic is beautiful. The better they train you and the simpler they make the system for you to use, the more your business grows. And the more your business grows, the more successful the entire platform becomes. They have a massive vested interest in helping you succeed, and so do I. It's a true win-win-win situation for everyone involved. Think about how beautifully the responsibilities are split here. DuPont takes on 100% of the heavy lifting. They are fully responsible for the legalities, the FSCA compliance, managing the debit orders, handling customer queries, processing the payout, and managing the insurance risk. They take all the corporate headaches. You get all the leverage. Your only task, your single solitary responsibility, is to share the information about the system with others. Let's break this down to a practical level. If you know how to click the share or send button on your mobile phone, you are ready, fully qualified to do this. You do not need to sit down with a prospect and give a 20-minute lecture on insurance or finance. You don't need to pitch. If someone asks you what you do, you simply say, I am part of an asset building system that helps families secure a second income. Take a look at this 10-minute video to see how it works. And then you press send. You point them to the official presentation. You point them to the pre-recorded YouTube videos. You point them to the tools. The videos does the talking. The videos does the explaining. If they look at it and they see the value, they join. If they look at it and it's not for them, it's no big deal. No arm twisting, no awkward bride conversations. You are simply a wealth engineer because you are using a pre-engineered system to construct a predictable financial future. I want you to think about the stability of that for a moment. This isn't an experimental concept where we are trying out this month to see if it works. My own system on this platform has paid out a reliable, consistent monthly income for 123 months in a row without fail. Think about what South Africa has gone through over the last 123 months. We have lived through massive economic shifts, political changes, global pandemics, lockdowns, and skyrocketing inflation. Through every single one of those heavy, uncertain seasons, this asset-based system delivered on time every single month. Why? Because it's built on a compliant financial foundation and because it's simply enough for ordinary people to follow and duplicate. Whether you are a school teacher, a hospitality worker, a corporate manager, an entrepreneur, or someone near retirement age, you do not need to change your career. You do not need to acquire a rare sales talent. You just need to plug into the engine that already works and know how to press send. So, if you have been sitting on the fence watching my Freedom Friday sessions week after week and holding yourself back because you genuinely believe this is just isn't my line of work, I want to invite you, to take a safe, no pressure look behind the curtain today. I'm not asking you to make a major financial decision today. I'm not asking you to sign up for anything right this second. Instead, I want to show you the actual blueprint of how this duplication engine functions so that you can judge the logic for yourself. If you haven't done so yet, please go and grab my brand new free guide. I'm very proud of it. The asset-based blueprint. You can type the word asset right now in the comment section below and my system will send the link straight to you. This guide breaks down the exact logic, the compliance structure, and show you exactly how everyday South Africans are utilizing the simple 329 Rand entry point to build a lifetime recurring income asset without compromising their current professional careers or changing their line of work. And while you are gathering your tools for freedom, if you want even more practical strategies, visual guides, and simple breakdowns to help you understand how this system-driven wealth works, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. Every single week, I upload fresh, bite-sized videos designed to help you build real financial peace of mind. And while you are there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the little notification bell. That way, even when your week gets incredibly busy, you will always have a step-by-step guidance waiting for you right at your fingertips. You can also explore dozens of deeply researched articles directly on my blog at lynettebaardnos.com/blogs. Feel free to like, love, follow, and most importantly, share this live video right now with anyone you know, any friend, family member, or colleague who needs to hear this liberating message today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me this Freedom Friday. I hope today left you feeling deeply encouraged, empowered, and ready to take the next step towards financial freedom. I hope you realize today that you don't need a special, rare talent. You simply need a reliable system. You don't need to be a salesperson. You just need to be a connector. Recurring income truly is the ultimate gateway to real freedom, flexibility, and lifelong peace of mind for you and your family. Start exactly where you are today. Utilize the pre-built tools that DuPont provides. Stay consistent and let it grow, one step at a time. Your journey to financial independence starts with a single, simple decision to look at these facts. Make that decision today. Take action. Grab the blueprint and know that I'm here to walk this entire journey with you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, earn forever. Bye for now.